G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Warm Jika, to another Rip Roaring episode. I got asked a really interesting question this week regarding owner builders and owner builders doing their own jobs. I have nothing wrong. Let me make something clear. I've got nothing wrong with owner builders. I've got nothing wrong with home improvements. I think it's really positive that people try and do things themselves. But let me make this really clear, and there's a big but. You don't want to be going and doing things if you're not prepared for them. It's like changing a motor in a car and not putting the lugs on the engine mounts and the engine falling out of the car, or the gearbox falling out of the car. Creates accidents, can be dangerous to everybody around you, etc. We've had massive accidents in the industry from homeowners that have watched TV series of some sort, and they think that they can just rip out internal walls without getting any professionals in to look at the structure of that, the skeleton of that, and how it all comes together. So what ends up happening, they've pulled out an internal wall. It's a tile roof being between 60 and 80 kilograms per square meter, and the whole thing's collapsed in, and it's been really dangerous to the people that are living inside. Not to mention people that are outside, what can happen with debris, or if there's a big wind, things blowing off and all sorts of jazz. So what I'm getting to is that you need to make sure, if you are doing home improvements, that you get the right people in at the right stage. There's nothing wrong with doing it yourself, but educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Understanding the build system is so important, and you need to be able to do that to be able to get the best end result for your home. Not only that, but at the end of the day, for your own skyrocket. Because if you can implement small things at this stage that we're at the moment, at skeleton stage, then you can make massive differences to the amount of energy the home uses, to the amount of resources the home uses, and everything adds up as a little piece of puzzle to make that really big, beautiful picture and save you in the long run in your skyrocket, as well as the health and the well-being of the people that live in it. So any questions or queries about any of that, flick it over. I'll answer it for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soon.